So the first dish I'm going to cook is some lovely hand-dived Scottish scallops. We're going to char them and just like slice them so you got little mouthfuls. We're going to make a lovely brown crab and salmon mousse, which we're going to steam as an alternate texture. And then we've got some lovely, I made a lovely crab bisque with all the shells. And then I basically reduced that right down and split it with a lovely infused oil to make like a split dressing. And then I've got some lovely sea vegetables and a little bit of caviar.